Hello YouTube! As you see, well, the sun is kind of maybe blocking us. Maybe you can't see. I'll just try to shade this a little bit. This is my flying field. All its glory. Isn't it awesome? Yeah. Well, I had a little incident with an aircraft that I built. And I ended up, it was a FT Racer with the, with it was a 3-cell 2200 with on the power pod, but the battery came off the Velcro, and basically also the power pod flew out of the aircraft at full throttle. So the battery detached from the power pod, and I couldn't find it. I literally could not find it. That was, oh, I would have to say a little before September. Yeah, maybe August, end of August. And, well, I couldn't find the battery. I searched and searched. I got a metal detector. See? Metal detector? Right there, right there. If you can see it. Yeah, maybe. Okay. Metal detector. And I couldn't find it. So, I'm looking. I couldn't look through the winter because of all the snow. And today, after having a successful F-18 play, video to come, hopefully, I actually found it. Here it is. This is the 2200 milliamp battery in all of its glory that I found. A little corrosion. But the funny thing is, and the awesome part is, let's see if I can do this on camera. We'll just kind of like do this. So that, and the balance lead goes into my charger. And we still have 12.25 volts. And it was in this field all winter long. We'll just check the cells. 4.083, 077, 09. Yeah, so it's still fine, perfectly usable. And on top of that, look at that. There is no bulging whatsoever. Grab the replacement battery. As you can see, there is no discernible difference at all. A little fading on the wires, a little corrosion. I might replace that connector. But yeah, I just thought I'd do a little video of it. It's awesome. And now I have 4 batteries for my Optera. As you can see, my flight box, FPV goggles, controller, my Hobby Eagle programming card for my gyro from the F-18. Of course, you got the battery tester and all the batteries. So, I just thought I'd do a little quick video on that. So, and that is, I'm just ecstatic about that. So, hopefully, more to come. Bye-bye.